Stop breaking your back with outdated tools. Whether you are managing a profitable backyard garden or a small commercial farm, efficiency is the ultimate secret to maximizing your profit. It is 2026 and Amazon is absolutely packed with brilliant, affordable technology designed to make your agricultural life incredibly easy. Today, I have dug through thousands of products to bring you the top 5 absolute best garden gadgets on Amazon that every small farmer needs right now. I've put links to all these game-changing tools in the description below. Let's upgrade your farm. Kicking off at number 1, the 4-in-1 Smart Soil Monitor. This brilliant little gadget takes the guesswork out of farming completely. You simply stick the probe into the soil. It instantly sends real-time data directly to an app on your smartphone. It tells you the exact moisture levels, pH balance, temperature, and sunlight, sending you a notification when your plants need water. Number 2 is an absolute lifesaver for your hands, cordless electric pruning shears. Manual pruning can cause severe hand fatigue and take hours. These battery-powered, heavy-duty electric shears cut through thick, hardwood branches like a hot knife through butter. With a simple pull of the trigger, the ultra-sharp titanium blades snap shut, saving you massive amounts of time and physical energy. Coming in at number 3, the walk-behind precision planter. This mechanical marvel allows you to plant an entire row of crops as fast as you can walk. You simply load your seeds into the hopper, and as you push it forward, it automatically opens the dirt, drops the seed at the exact perfect depth, and covers it back up. At number 4, we have the ultimate crop protection, the solar-powered ultrasonic animal repeller. Instead of using expensive fences, this weatherproof gadget uses a motion sensor to detect pests. When an animal approaches, it emits a high-frequency ultrasonic alarm and flashing LED lights that drive pests away instantly. Finally, at number 5, the silicone harvesting thumb knife. It looks incredibly simple, but it is a massive game-changer for harvest time. The built-in stainless steel blade acts like an extension of your own nail, allowing you to rapidly pinch and cut vegetables with just one hand, completely protecting your actual fingers from cuts. Farming doesn't have to be a struggle when you have the right tools. Technology is here to help you scale your business and save your back. Which of these 5 Amazon gadgets are you adding to your cart today? Let me know in the comments. Do not forget, I have placed direct links to all of these amazing tools in the description below, so you can grab them right now. Hit that like button, subscribe to Business Ideas English, and I will see you in the next video.